Hello everyone and welcome back to 50 Plus Luxury Style. I hope you're having an absolutely terrific day. I've got a very quick unboxing that I want to share with you, and yes, it is from Fashionphile. It's an item that I just saw on the website and was just following it along. It went ahead and had the first 10% off discount, and I decided to just go ahead and buy it. So let me go ahead and share it with you. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Isabel. I hope that you enjoy this video. And if you like luxury handbags, shoes, fashion, etc., I hope that you will consider hitting that subscribe button down below and hitting the bell so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. All right, enough being said, let's open this box. Before I get started, just in case if you are not familiar with Fashionphile, they are an online reseller. They also have a couple of locations where you can physically go in and look at items, but I've never visited their actual stores or locations. I've done all of my business with them online, and I think they're a really good way of finding items that are either sold out, vintage, no longer available, or simply an item that you love and you want to try and get it at a discounted price. All right, so here we go. Typical Fashionphile packaging. It's got the box, Fashionphile there. Let's go ahead and open this up. You get your nail file, which I love. I keep one at work. I keep some at home. And inside you have this right here, and this is your receipt, which I'll open later. You have some confetti, and then you have this presentation with the little sticker that says, "Used is the new you." Let me just move this confetti out of the way. And just check out those roses in the back. Aren't they beautiful? I've had them for a week and a half, and I'm just so excited that they're still alive. Okay, let's go back. I digress. So here it is, and let me just get it out. And you also have your thank you card. Put this over here. All right. Here's what I got. You may be able to tell because of the box. Let me go ahead and slide this off. And it's a pair of Chanel shoes. So let's go ahead and look. They are supposed to be in excellent condition. And they're supposed to come with the box and the dust bag. And here is the Fashionphile dust bag. And here they are. Oh, let me get one out. And this is what they look like. They are, oh, they're just beautiful. They are lambskin. They are quilted. If you see the quilting right here, and then they have a cap toe in the front. It's got a small heel with the CCs in the back in silver. Just absolutely gorgeous. Let me try and get you a better view from here. And they are in excellent condition, and they do absolutely look to be in excellent condition. Whoever wore these must have worn them on a rug, because there is definitely no sign of wear on these beautiful, beautiful shoes. I bought these because I thought they would be perfect for work, and also when I travel for business, sometimes I want to have a little bit of a shorter heel. And this still gives me a little bit of height, but not super, super high. So let me just go ahead and show you. So it has it's not a totally round toe, and it's not a pointed toe. So it's in the middle between a round toe and a pointed toe. And it's smooth leather right here. And then you'll see the beautiful, beautiful quilting all the way on the side, either side of the shoe. And then in the back, it just has kind of like a detail of a leather trim right here. And then you have the heel with, of course, the beautiful CCs. And that's about it for the shoes. Just really, really pretty. By the way, here is the tag that you need to send back if you decide that you don't want the item. They're shoes, so they obviously can't put them on there. And here are the Chanel dust bags and the Chanel extra heel things here, and a Chanel little booklet. Very, very nice. So I'm excited about these shoes. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I had a little bit of a slip and fall and I broke a bone in my foot, and I am stuck wearing this boot for at least 4 weeks. So I won't be able to wear these right away, but I am going to try them on my good foot. And I'll give you a mod shot so that you can see what they look like. But I am very excited. Hopefully they fit. I'm always a 37 in Chanel, and these are a 37. So I have no doubt that they will fit me. So yeah, that's it. That's what I wanted to share with you. A quick video. Again, Fashionphile. I've purchased from them. I think this is the 4th time that I purchased from them. I returned an item once just because it didn't fit me, but the 3 other items I've loved and I've kept. So these are my new to me Chanel pumps. Love them, love them, love them. Let me give you another look of the back. Look at that. That's so pretty. And I wanted to share these with you. Again, I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I'll see you soon. Bye. Okay, here they are. Disregard my other foot in the boot, but they do fit me. Let me see if I can, there you go. See there, that's what the shoe looks like on. There's the back. So yeah, that's it. I'll try and get you some better mod shots in 4 weeks when I don't have this boot on my other foot. But here they are. Very excited with my purchase from Fashionphile.